Hello, my name is Sidney Heaney. This summer I've been interning at Place Showroom at their New York location assisting the showroom team. My day-to-day tasks consisted of hanging and steaming samples, packing and unpacking suitcases for road and other deliveries, and organizing the showroom. I also assisted the sales team and helped research for prospective accounts. I found this internship through LinkedIn, and the HR manager interviewed me via Zoom, and later that night I was offered the internship. What I enjoyed most about this internship was the people at Place. Everyone was so kind and welcoming, it really made me feel comfortable, and I was able to look forward to coming in every day and wanting to put my best foot forward. The most important thing I learned during this internship was to network, connect, and reach out. This industry is a lot smaller than you may think, so it's important to maintain strong connections with everyone. I also learned that teamwork is very important. Place highlights the value of teamwork, and I could really see it shine throughout their company. Advice I would offer to future interns is to be open to experience and opportunities, and to ask a ton of questions because you are there to learn.